If you're coming to Milan, I'm going to show you how to take the metro, aka the subway. Now, the easiest way is just tap and go or use your credit card or Apple Pay, but you can also go up to these machines and get a card, ATM card, to get you into the subway. In Milan, they use the train by different zones, a little bit different than what you're used to probably when you come to visit New York City. So M1 through M3 will get you 90 minutes of subway use. As soon as you tap to go in, that's when it activates the 90 minutes. So you can take the bus, trolley, and subway right here, or the metro is what they call it. All right, we're gonna get on the train right now, so let's stand where there's not as many people. Go in right here. Here we go. Overall, the experience in Milan with the subway and metro system was one of the best experiences I've ever had taking public transportation, and would highly recommend that if you travel to Milan, that is your best way of getting around the city. There we go. We gotta do it all the way back out too.